This is Miss B, and I wanted to do a tutorial of using my Google website. So we're going to have projects coming up where I'm going to link you to my website, and I want you to be able to maneuver it and be comfortable with getting to where you need to get on my website. Um, I have this video here. It's just as like whatever, it has nothing to do with the assignment or anything. It's just an interesting video. But what I'm going to be doing is in here somewhere, I'm going to be posting this video right now. So if you're on this front page and you're not sure what to do, you're in the right place. You should be watching this video. So here's the front page of the website. It says, check the tabs above to find the important pages for our Google Art assignments and more. All right, let's see what that means. So I'm going to go up here, and the most important thing is this, is that you get into your assignments, that you know where to go. So you could click on projects by grade, or if you see I'm hovering over it, I can see all of the different grades. So you could click on your grade level here. Don't do this. Don't do these here. You see these little ones here? Don't do that. Just click on your grade. But I think I'm going, so that would bring us to that grade level, but I'm going to go through this way so you can see the other way of getting there. So again, you could hover over it, click the grade here, or if you click projects by grade, it's going to look like this. So you can see it says, click on the picture below for your grade to see your assignment. So we got all the grades here, and just for like ha-has, let's choose like the big kids and go with the big kid class. So when you open your grade level, this is going to be where I'm posting all the information for projects and stuff. So you can see here it gives you the grade, and it says you still need to submit your artwork, or your art to your Google Art Classroom. So the reason I put that is because we're going to be doing projects that we're looking at in here, but you still need to submit it to your Google Art Classroom. Here are links to all the, I got to change that. Dun, dun, dun. Not fourth grade, sixth grade. This website's still a work in progress. So to all the sixth grade Google Art classes. So if you look down here, these should all be right though. So if I click here, dun, da, da, dun, and there you go. There's Monday's art class. Look, I got all my other videos posted here in case you didn't notice. But that'll bring you to your Google Art class. And then it's still up here. You still got the tab open. So you can go back and forth between them depending on what you go in here. Like from that last video, you go into classwork, all your assignments are listed. Well, it doesn't look like that, but still, you know what I mean. Anyway, so that's how you get to your classroom from your grades page. Now I'm going to scroll down more. Scroll down for projects. I'm trying to make it really obvious for you guys. So here I'm going to be posting week 1 and 2, Imagination Self-Portrait. That's the project the 6th grade had for the first 2 weeks. And then this is the project for next week. Right now it is March 25th, so next week, the week of the 30th. It's going to be origami projects. So all of these are going to look basically like this right now. You're all going to have a project for week 1 and 2, and then have a week 3 project. So if we go in here, since all of this was on classwork, on Google Classrooms, I just copied and pasted whatever was in your class, your Google class, and I put it in here. I'm going to go back now so we can look at the rest of the page. So this will bring us to the origami page. I'm going to just do this really quick because I think it's self-explanatory, the origami website. So click on origami. This is its separate website. So if you need to get back to my site, it's up here. You can't like go back. See? Can't go back. So you go in here to go back to the website. This is another thing. 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, information here. Da 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 da. You have to read that because when you click on your grade, You gotta do a quiz. And there's one for each grade level. So that's that. And then when you go all the way to the bottom, there's going to be some origami instructions and a video, but I said all of that here. Scroll down for video. Okay, so all the information is there for you. I'm going to close this out. Okay, so that's projects. Let's go here. How-to videos. This is going to be so simple. So as I see problems coming up with people not understanding things, I'm just going to do a video like this because I feel like this is the easiest way. I'm like talking to you guys. Hi, by the way. And so these are the first two videos I have. The attendance questions, oh my goodness, go and watch that if you're not sure how to do the attendance question for each week in art class. And submitting work, oh my goodness, that's also really important. You should watch that video if you haven't already. What are you doing? You need to watch that video. Okay, so we did home. We did projects by grade. We did how-to videos. That was a nice simple one. And then free time? What? What's that? Free time? Who's ever heard of that before? Okay, so click on the pictures below to visit some fun and informative websites. So this is going to be a constant work in progress. These are all links, or they should be. Again, work in progress. They look like they are. So you can click on here. If you're done with your project and you handed it in, you're all finished, you don't know what to do during art class, you stay logged in to your Google Classroom until it's time to be done. Everyone should know the schedule by now. And then you stay logged in there, and you can go in here. There's a button here, the Tate Kids one is really cute. So that's going to bring you to, it's going to redirect you. You still have your website here, but it's a cool website. It's an art museum in England, in London, and they have a bunch of games on here and stuff like that. So that's what a lot of these are. This one's for like younger kids, and this one's more informative than anything else. But you know, this is kind of games and stuff. The Tate Museum one is games and stuff. I'm sure everybody knows the Art for Kids Hub. And those are just videos, how-to videos about, you know, different drawing and stuff. They're really fun. And then Artsology, that's another, like, games and stuff. These are really fun sites. Not even just for art class, but just in general, if you want to do something fun. So these three, not including home. 1, 2, 3. Those are the most important. Da-da-da-da. So important. You gotta remember these. And then all these other ones are, you know, if you want to look at them, I like them. I've put a lot of work into my website. So, yeah. So if you want to take a look at this stuff, you go ahead. But if you understand projects by grade, how-to videos, and free time, then you should be fine for this virtual learning period that we're going through right now. You know, while we're not in school, these are the most important links on my Google site. I think that's all I have to say. Remember, this video is going to be posted here. So if you're confused, you should be watching this right now. And if you're here till the end, if you have a question, always email me. Don't send me messages in the Google Classroom. I see them. It takes forever for those to get to me. So just email me, because it's faster, at lbal@wnYschools.net. And I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. I hope you guys are doing really, really well. I miss all of you so, so much. And I hope I get to see you really soon. Have a great day.